Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Home, which serves for us as a bulletin board to our English 101, College Reading, and Composition 1 course. And what do we have on our bulletin board? We have my Zoom office hours, Tuesdays and Thursdays 1 to 2 p.m. and by request via the Canvas inbox over here. And we have the directions for how to contact me during office hours. Click on this URL during office hours and it's right here. Okay, scrolling down, we have our to-do list for week 4 in modules, May 4th through the 10th, 2020. We have discussion 3, the annotated outline with the narrative storytelling hook, and a works cited quiz. All right, we have a reminder too of our class topic. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates, and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? We are scaffolding or building our term paper due at the end of the course about this class topic now, and anything we write in our discussion essays can be used in this term paper as long as we integrate it smoothly in with appropriate transitions. Okay, let's click on our week 4, and that will take us into modules right here into discussion 3. And I'm going to remind you that we have 2 due dates, a part 1 for the essay, it's due on Friday, and we have a part 2 for the peer evaluations, they are due on Sunday. Now be sure to read the directions for the peer evaluations very carefully, please. You need to respond to anybody who evaluates your essay in addition to responding to 4 of your peers' essays, conducting peer evaluations on these essays. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, remember that I keep my Zoom office hours and they're listed here, and I'm over here in inbox. Let's have a good week, and I hope you and your family are well in this COVID-19 era.